How is it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day as always. Today's video is something a little different, and you've seen them all over the internet. They're called challenges. What is today's challenge? Well, I was out here working on that, and I got to thinking, and there's one going around on Instagram right now, photo challenge, about the same thing. So it's not my idea, you know, these things have been done before. But what is that challenge? Well, let's get out here to the building, because that's where I need to be to show you. Oh my goodness. All right, we're out at the building. I had to do some maneuvering to get this to where you could see it in good lighting. But what is today's challenge, you may be asking? Yes, I know you've already cheated and looked at the title, but that's okay. You can break that rule. But here we go. What is in your toolbox challenge? Hold up, wait a minute. I'm sorry, I forgot to put this in the video. This video is open to everybody, not just the people that are mentioned in the video. It is open to everybody. So be sure to get in, get your call outs, and show those toolboxes. Now this isn't going to be a long one, and it doesn't matter if you're a professional mechanic, because I know there's a bunch of you out there, or a weekend warrior who just work on your stuff during the weekend or through the week, or even just whenever something breaks. But what the video is about is, like the title says, what's in your toolbox. Now you don't have to list or tell every freaking tool you've got, you know, doesn't matter about all that. It's just a quick overall video showing some things. Now I have an extra toolbox. This has all my heating and air tools, where I used to be a heating and air service tech, so just disregard that. Got to have your, this is actually Dawn dishwashing liquid for cleaning the hands, and I also have some orange goo for that, and then purple power for when you need something a little stronger, decals and stuff like that, Goo Gone. And you've got to have your shop towels. Shop towels are mandatory, any toolbox. Got my T-handled Allen wrenches, a few odd end things up here like the Torx wrenches that I don't want to lose. You always need some electrical tape, which disappears in every toolbox, so that's why it's up here. And your oil filter wrench, which always disappears, so that's why it's up here. But let's carry on. Just some miscellaneous stuff like tubing cutters, knives, drill bits, punches. Then I have my pull bars from 1/4 inch. Let me pull this out so you can see it. From 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. My large adjustable. I've got my torque wrench, and I've got my longer pull bar and my small adjustable. And then down here you just have various odd and end wrenches that's left over, jumper wires for testing equipment and stuff, but wire strippers, adjustable wrenches, vice grips, and some drill bits, step down drill bits I made at work for drilling, reaching in longer places that you can't reach with the regular one. You know how it is. And then here is my socket drawer. Please disregard this. I got to get another organizer. They're actually organized, but this is where it will be going. I need to get another organizer to put them. But this is my socket drawer. Got all my universals, my swivels, my step downs, and like from 3/8 to 1/4, and then going the other way. And then I've got my Torx bits and my Allen, my square heads. Go to this drawer. Got the metric wrenches, standard and ratcheting, and small stubby ratcheting. Next drawer is more standard non-ratcheting, and then you've got the long thin ratcheting on both ends. I love those. Then you've got the standard size wrenches, of course, standard and ratcheting again. Then I've got my battery operated ratchet, some odd and end tips, magnetic holder, pliers. Here's a few of my pliers that I have. I have some inside right now, that's why you see missing spots, working on stuff. And then down here is my vacuum pump and tap and die set, fuses, and a bunch of odd and end hand tools there, as well as a gear puller, steering wheel puller. Over here you got a few of the ratchets, the long ones, the short ones, the 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and various assortment of extensions from short to long to longer, 1/4 inch, 3/8, so on and so forth. Screwdrivers and a small assortment of screwdrivers, and you always got to have a panel puller. Die grinders, drill bits, caps for capping stuff off. Then you've got file set, brushes, pens, you always need pens, safety glasses, mirror, so on and so forth in that drawer. Then you've got your blowgun, your hangers for when you take off your rotors and stuff, need to hang something, digital air gauge, and manual impact as well as manual tire gauges. And then the last one, tape, Allen wrenches, chocks for the tires, lubricated towels to wipe off with, your brake spreader tool, and of course a small assortment of bungees. But that's it. That's pretty much what's in this. Now I have a bigger box, and you'll have to excuse my messy building. I gotta get a bigger one. But the plans are to build a garage, and then everything that's mine will be going in the garage. But I got a bigger one over there, and that's full of hand tools and power tools. And I've got another toolbox right there that is full of wrenches and stuff also. But all that's over there is a few pliers, and everything else is manual box and open end wrenches. But that pretty much takes care of my toolbox setup. What's in your toolbox? Be sure to like, subscribe, support, share, all that good stuff, but also call out some people in your videos. Call them out. Doesn't matter how many, doesn't matter who it is. Like in my video, I'm going to call out a few. I'm going to be calling out Fab Automotive Detailing, who is a professional mechanic by trade. So I'm calling him out. I know he's got some killer tools. I've seen his toolbox videos before. I'm calling out Uzulu Garage. Steve, let's see what's in your toolbox, buddy. You're a weekend warrior. Let's get her done. Chemical Spore. You're the one that actually gave me this idea on Instagram. So let's see a video of what's in yours. I know I've seen your picture, but let's see a video showing what you got. Online car shows or online car net. Let's see what you got. I see it in your videos every time. You got that big stainless steel toolbox sitting right beside you in your videos, so let's see what's in yours. Steve Fast, Hammer Down Motorsports. I know you've got a big shop and garage, so I'm calling you out too, buddy. Let's see what's in yours. But I'll stop at that because I can go on and on and on. There's a lot of great YouTubers out there and a lot of great people who do stuff, weekend warriors and professionally. But until next time, guys, this is just a little short video. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, and thank you for watching.